Minsan kaya tayo sobrang overwhelmed, it is because of our surroundings. As a mom, ang daming ingay sa utak natin everyday. Schedules, trabaho, bills. Kaya kapag magulo rin yung bahay, parang lalo akong napapagod emotionally. But when I started keeping my home tidy, not perfect ha, just calm and clean enough, something in me slowly healed too. Yung simpleng pag-aayos ng bed sa umaga, pagpunas ng table, parang sinasabi ko rin sa sarili ko, okay lang, kaya natin ulit bukas. A tidy home gave me peace I didn't know I needed. Less stress, less mental clutter, mas makahinga, mas makapag-isip, mas present sa kids and to myself. And hindi siya tungkol sa aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels safe after a long day. Sometimes healing looks like a quiet home, clean counters, and finally feeling calm inside your own space. Comment home if you also feel lighter kapag maayos ang paligid mo.